my name is Lauren. I am from Alberta, Canada, and I wanted to leave a review for the multi-six-figure Etsy course. So I am a brand new Etsy shop owner. I have only had my Etsy shop since January this year, which is about 6 months ago, and I have been in Dylan's course for 4 months. So early on, I signed up for coaching. I was so overwhelmed with everything. So initially I signed up for just the program itself, and about 2 weeks later we added on the coaching because I could just see the value in having Dylan and her team to come alongside and just really support and help out. So some of our stats from when we started and signed up, we have had a 480% increase in views, so eyes on our products, and we have had a 550% increase in our revenue, which is huge. Those are really exciting numbers to see. So I'm really thrilled with that, and I can definitely attribute that to this course. It really helped us fast track, but the biggest thing that this course did was it really helped us zone in, narrow in on our product mix and our customer. So we focused on our customer. We got really clear on that and realized the products we were selling were not for the customer that we wanted, and there was a disconnect. And so this program really helped us bridge that gap. I've gotten some amazing product ideas from Dylan and her team. I have got the creative juices flowing, and now I'm coming up with more ideas that are selling, and these products are hip because we're clear on our vision and our path. To have the support, to have the community when you're going through business and learning is huge and so invaluable. So you should definitely sign up. It is well worth every single penny.